Here's an example of a basement that had a little bit of a flood, a little bit of water damage. So what they've done, see insurance companies come in, they've ripped out the end of the wet underpad, and we're here to reinstall that. So let's get to it. So first thing we'll do is we'll replace the pad. The lighting's not great here, but you guys can get the understanding. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Around all the smooth edge, see where it's loose, popping in a couple nails because you don't want it to pop when you're trying to stretch it. You can do this yourself if you follow what I'm doing. So let's try that. We'll give that a go. Bang down the pins, just hold it in, tuck it a bunch of times. You don't want to, you want to pressure fit that. You want to rake them like that so you can hear those pins. And then I bang them down. And what that does is it bends it and pulls that carpet in and holds that from popping out. Sometimes you'll have to cut it a little bit. It's tricky to cut because it's been wet before. Some of the backing's a little destroyed. Probably have to pop a staple in that one a little bit. Right, like that. So you see, you pull it back a little bit like that. Give it a little hammer. Right, that's a serious pressure fit. Pull it back, do the backing. Don't hit the tile. a nice pressure fit. All right, that ain't coming out. Pull the pile back, pull the pile back, pull the pile back. So if you have a hammer, you can bang those pins down as well. Pins. It's a little loose in the corner. It's hard to stretch it there. It's a little weak. Probably grab the staple gun and pop some staples in there. Can't really stretch it anymore. Might have to put some glue on it. We'll see. Yeah, she's really weak. See, she doesn't want to stretch. You see this here? Very weak. So we'll try to stretch more. Jam it in. High traffic area right here. See, it doesn't want to play nice though. No, I'll try it. This time, I'm not gonna pull that back yet. See if I can get that locked in first. And then maybe we'll cut it. It's just really sensitive. It's actually just the carpet is worn out. The more we stuff in, the better. Pressure fit. Really didn't have to cut anything off that. Just a little bit of the threads. Right? Sorry about the lighting. The lighting's not great in here. But this is real world scenarios. This is not a classroom. This is a world. This is the real stage. All right, so moving on. Definitely gonna get the glue gun. And the staple gun. Just because it's been flooded, we wanna make sure she's not gonna come back out. So I like to take my trusty staple gun. Put these in them. And I'll staple right into the smooth edge with that. Just because of how sensitive that carpet is, it needs some help to hold on. You can split the pile so you don't see the indentations. Nose of the gun in, wiggle it around, push the, wiggle it around, push the, wiggle it around, push it. All right, so here we got our glue gun. What I'll do is I just put a little bit right there. Try to keep it not much. Remember, we had some problems here. You just wait till it dries and pull it off. This was the worst area. Now we have the staples, but it's nice to have a little bit of glue too. You just put it in the groove between the ceramic and the carpet. Okay guys, so we're all done. We got the new pad in, stretch it in, tucked it into the fireplace here, into the ceramic. All done nice and tight, nice and clean. That's where we put the glue and the staples along there, just because, you know, they're coming down the stairs. It's a high traffic area. I think that's obviously where they had the leak come in. It must have been a bathroom leak. That's it. Hey guys, if you want any other videos and you're interested in learning anything, let me know and post them on the page and I'll get to it. Keith Shannon, directcarpet.ca.